I was lucky the ambulance switched its sirens off for us, but aye, she doesn't like that noise either. Understandable because it's really loud. So that's us just checked out at the hotel, and we have a 40-mile cycle to San Marino. It's not the nicest day, it's a wee bit foggy, but yeah, we're just going to cycle there, get there, and then that'll be country number 26 for Nala. So let's go. Ten miles left to San Marino. We're in the countryside now. It's pretty beautiful, nice and flat, but we've got a big hill coming up very soon which takes us into San Marino. Nala's sort of just sitting here just enjoying the sun. Yes you are, girl. So yeah, and it's also 3:30, so we've got probably an hour and a half of light left. So yeah, get to San Marino, find somewhere to sleep, and then check out the 5th smallest country in the world. So let's go. There she is though, San Marino, the top of that hill. So we've got quite a hill to climb. I think it's about 1,500 feet. But aye, let's get up there and check it out. Yes, country number 26 for Nala. Oh. Whew. This is going to take a while, this. On the map it says it's an hour and a half walking uphill, and it looks steep. That's what we're dealing with. Got to keep the legs moving, and hopefully they don't start seizing up. The bike is just so heavy. It's impossible to cycle. Should tie Nala to the front so she can pull the bike. And look, since we're getting quite high up again, there's quite a lot of snow. Well, not quite a lot of snow, but there's snow. I need to go and lie down in that after this. Kill me down. If you like ASMR, you'll enjoy this video. Heavy breathing. If you don't like heavy breathing, like me, you'll not enjoy it. Right, so you know how I said that hill before was San Marino? It's no, it's a bigger one. Look at this hill. It probably doesn't even look that bad, but it's 13%. Oh dear. Anyway, I'll see you at the top. Oh. I'm going to sleep tonight anyway. Probably not even go out. In, shower, bed. Don't even know if you can see, but we are now losing the road. It's going on to a muddy path. Oh, this is going to absolutely wreck my legs. Nala, she's just being good as gold, sitting in the front of the basket, just peeking out like that. And she's just been doing that all the way up the hill while I've been panting. Oh, dear me. Right, anyway, let's go. Oh, you know when the ground's too wet and muddy that you're just slipping? Well, that's what's happening. It's becoming a right mission. Look at it. Oh, still so far to go, girl. Eh? We've got this. We've got this. Oh my god. No. This is bad. We are in trouble, girl. This is gonna sap me from energy. Come on. Come on. This is what it's all about, though. This is what it's all about. Woohoo! Yes. Oh, I'm going backwards. Oh shit. 3, 2, 1, let's go, girl. Let's do this. Yes. We've got this. Come on. And that is us just crossed into country number 26 for now. Hello, San Marino. Woo! Come on, but look, don't know if you can see it. We've still to go a way up that hill, so we've still got a big hill to go. Anyway, let's crack on. But we've done it. Yes! There's a cable car just up here, but I really didn't feel like I've got the energy to walk up there to be said you can't take the bike on. So I think I'm just going to suck it up and keep walking. 30 minutes remaining, and just to get our way up there. Woohoo! Let's go! Well, I've actually made it, and I tell you something, I am absolutely shattered. That is up there with one of the hardest days I've done. Oh my god. It's now 9 o'clock, so we've been walking up that hill for maybe 5 hours. It was a grass slope though. The grass just absolutely drained me of energy. But here we are, we're in the Rosa Hotel, so I'm going to go and check in and probably just lie down, and who knows what will happen tonight. Might never wake up again. How on earth do you get in? Oh, I'm stumbling. Right, let's go. We are checked in. The room is okay. Got 2 single beds there pushed together. A wee bathroom here. Honestly, it's all I need. But the bed is honestly, I might as well sleep on the floor. It's so hard. But look at her. You've got some cheek, girl. You've got some cheek. Yes, you do. Right, well, I'm going to bed, so good night. See you in the morning.